महाराजों का शहर जयपुर अपनी शाही और विशाल किलों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है, जिनकी खूबसूरती, कहानियाँ और रॉयल फील लेने के लिए कई सारे टूरिस्ट आते हैं। उनमें से सबसे बड़ा किला है आमेर फोर्ट, जिसे अंबर फोर्ट भी कहा जाता है। आमेर फोर्ट में ऐसी कई सारी कहानियाँ हैं जो आपको ज़रूर चौंका देगी। यहाँ की आर्किटेक्चर, मिरर से बना पैलेस, रानियों का महल, गुप्त कमरे और रास्ते आमेर फोर्ट को एक अहम टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन बनाता है। तो चलो टाइम ट्रैवल करते हैं महाराजों के ज़माने में और आमेर फोर्ट की सैर लेते हैं। What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from Jaipur. So I am in Jaipur and I'm so excited to finally come here because this place has been on my bucket list since a very long time. So we are covering the first location, which is Amer Fort, which has to be one of the top places if you visit Jaipur. Let's go explore the place. I'll show you the history, also show you the interesting facts about this palace because बहुत ही अच्छा बड़ा सा palace है which has a lot of strong history attached to it. So let's go. This fort is present on the top and यहाँ पे बहुत सारा steps है to climb and चढ़ के जाने के लिए I'm already out of breath because it's so tiring. There are two options here to come to the top. The first being the elephant ride, which will take you to the top, and the second being the jeep ride. The elephant ride costs around like 1100 rupees and for the jeep it's around 400 to 500 rupees. I think you should definitely go for the jeep ride because this is very tiring. हम बहुत थक गए already and we have just started out. So currently I am at the Amer Palace here in Jaipur. This is one of the biggest palace here in Jaipur and also one of the prettiest palace over here. It is made out of sandstone and marble. As you can see, I'm standing on the top and the view from here is incredible. This is just a small part of the palace. There's a huge part of the palace that is yet to be discovered. And यहाँ पे you can also hire a guide if you want to know the history of the place. But I since have read somewhat about the history, so I am not opting for a guide. But you can see it's very beautiful and very picturesque. Amer Fort, situated just 11 kilometers from Jaipur main city, was built by Raja Man Singh and later by Savai Jai Singh. It is known for its majestic walls, artistic build, having an influence of both Hindu and Islamic architecture. The fort has 4 levels located at a height, making it a massive fort. Now a tourist attraction, Amer Fort is visited by many tourists on a daily basis to admire its beauty and know more about its interesting stories and past. So now I'm inside the Amer Palace and यहाँ का entry ticket is ₹100 per person and this is the first attraction that you see. This is the Diwani Aam, जहाँ पे पुराने ज़माने में king used to greet their people and they used to come with their problems and a solution for the problem was being discussed over here. यहाँ पे if you see clearly, यहाँ पे दो type के architecture है. One is the Hindu architecture which is represented by the elephant which is on the top of the pillar and the next one is the lotus symbol which represents the Muslim culture. तो ऐसा यहाँ पे दोनों culture का मिलाव करके ये एक ब्यूटीफुल सा दीवाने आम बनाया गया है एंड यहाँ पे 48 पिलर्स है. ऑल दीज स्ट्रक्चर्स आर मेड आउट ऑफ सैंडस्टोन एंड मार्बल एंड बहुत ही अच्छा व्यू भी है यहाँ पे. इफ़ यू सी द बैकड्रॉप इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. all over are spectacular. The palace being located on the top has great views from all over. And palace के सामने there's a lake. Lake के बीच में there's a garden. So ऐसा था कि king thought of doing saffron farming at this place, but since saffron requires like cold climate and Rajasthan being like a hot weather place, ये success नहीं रहा king का. And thus as a plain garden को इसको currently convert किया गया है. But the views are beautiful from here. You can see the city, you can see the mountains, and it's so nice. Turkish bath. यहाँ पे the bathtub is made and पुराने ज़माने में also hot and cold water system was being used, and this bathtub is 4 feet deep.
The royals led a fancy and a luxurious life. Imagine in the 15th century bathtubs का इस्तेमाल किया जाता था, जिसमें गर्म और ठंडे पानी आने की फैसिलिटी थी. Copper plates were heated to get the hot water. Isn't it fascinating? There's also a sunroom where queens used to get massages before bath. Amer Fort में a total of 99 toilets है. Yes, that's right, 99. For all the royals and the staff, and all of them are built the same. ऐसी ही अनोखी बातें हमारे इतिहास को इतना स्पेशल और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाती है.
Amer Fort, and यहाँ से there is literally no one over here, so this has to be one of the secret rooms of the palace. I don't know, but ये हम लोग the Turkish bath से ऊपर चढ़ के we came up, and this is what you get. It's like a nice dome structure over here which has glass all over it and has great views like always, and it's so beautiful over here.
आमेर फोर्ट में एक साथ कई सारे लोग रहा करते थे. रॉयल फैमिली से लेकर स्टाफ और सैनिक सबका खाने का ख्याल रखा जाता था. यहाँ मौजूद बड़े बर्तनों में खाना बनाया जाता था. It is also said that the food for hundreds of people were cooked in these big utensils that is still preserved today.
यहाँ पे the mirrors that you see are all bought from Belgium. इतने साल पहले भी import and export used to happen. The type of work on it is so beautiful. इतने बारीकी से काम किया है, and everything, every corner का detailing का ख्याल रखा है, which is so inspiring and so beautiful. Like look at how pretty it is. I can't. And it is also kind of 3D kind of structure, which is also so interesting. कैसे किया था ये इतने साल पहले? It's so fascinating.
जैसे दीवाने आम में आम जनता के साथ राजा चर्चा करते थे, वैसे ही दीवाने खास में वीआईपीज और अन्य राजाओं के साथ बैठक हुआ करती थी. शीश महल यानी कि मिरर पैलेस को मिर्ज़ा राजा जय सिंह ने बनाया था. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज विंटर पैलेस बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग द विंटर सीजन यहाँ दिए लगाए जाते थे, जो मिरर्स से हीट जनरेट करती थी और अंदर रहने वाले लोगों को गर्माहट देती थी.
पीछे ही है is a Jaigarh Palace. Jaigarh Palace during the king's rule was used to show ammunitions and arms, and वहाँ पे ammunitions बनता भी था, and the army used to stay over there, and the king and the queens used to stay at this Amer Fort over here. Also Jaigarh Fort से Amer Fort में एक सुरंग का रास्ता है which connects both of the forts, but they aren't allowed for tourists. This was used during escape यहाँ पे या फिर war होता था, then the queens and the children used to escape from there. So that is how clever people were back at those days.
Another interesting fact, ये जो देख रहे हो सीलिंग पे, यहाँ स्विंग्स हुआ करती थी और सीलिंग में लगे मिरर्स में अपना चेहरा देखकर रानियां झूला झूला करती थी.
Now we are at the different part of the palace. palace. This is the Man Singh Palace. The king had 12 wives and there were 12 different rooms for the wife, and all the pathway to the room were all secret pathways so that no other wife would know where the king was at that night. ये आमेर पैलेस के बाजू में है. When you exit, you get this palace. So currently, I am at the second floor of the palace, and this apparently used to be the bedrooms of the queens and the king.
The Man Singh Palace is one of the oldest part of the palace and is truly a mesmerizing complex. Since the king had 12 wives, he constructed a separate place for them, also referred to as zinana, where only women and king were allowed. ये सारे कमरों में पहले पर्दे लगे जाते थे for privacy reasons. All the rooms of the zinana are attached to the corridor, and every room had its balcony and window holes through which the royal women can see the activities. This part of the palace opens to the Amer city.
And there are many pathways and roads that you can take to reach a particular destination, and you can really get lost inside the palace. That is a probability because I am kind of lost. So this was the Amer Fort that we visited today. It's such a big fort and there's so much history attached to it, and it's so fascinating as well. बहुत सारे कहानियाँ हैं, and for seeing all the rooms, all the places around here, you actually require a day or 3/4 of the day to see it thoroughly. But even though we spent like 3 to 4 hours, we saw so many places here inside the Amer Fort, and I'm stunned by looking at this fort. I hope through this video you got to know more about the Amer Fort, its history and its culture. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.